On today's video, we are going to use a bun hair extension. I have been asked about these a few times. Essentially what it is some synthetic hair around a hair tie. So obviously the hair is a little more yellow than my hair. I could tone it though if I liked it to make it a little cooler like my hair. There is a way to tone. I have a video, I think I've definitely done one on TikTok, but if I have one here on YouTube, I'll link it up here, of how to tone synthetic hair, because it is differently than how you would tone human hair. But I could tone some of the yellow out and get it to match my hair better if I like it. But I've had this. This was from Temu. It was like $3. You can get them on Amazon as well. So figured why not? Let's see how it looks. So basically I'm just gonna put my hair up on my head in a bun, and I think you can put your hair up in literally any bun that you want. I don't think it would really matter. Any bun that you find easy. The idea is not that the bun needs to be perfect, because the idea is that it's gonna do all the work for us. So I'm just gonna create a very simple bun on my head. I'm not gonna like twist it and fluff it or anything. I'm just gonna leave it. And then I'm gonna pop this guy over top. And now I'm gonna fluff my hair in there a little bit, just to add. And I mean, like, let's loosen the base up. It's a little messy of a bun for a slick base, but I mean, it's supposed to be a messy bun. Wow, I'm actually, I don't know. I thought, like, you know, for $3 it would just be ridiculous, but if I can get that to match my hair perfectly, I would wear that. That was super easy. Huh. Well, I think that is a win. I really wasn't expecting a really cheap Temu buy that someone gave me to be a win, but I think it is. I like it. I like it. If you struggle with your buns and you really can't get one of these, because it does all the work for you. I will try to find a link for one on Amazon and put it in the description, because I know you can definitely get them on Amazon as well, but I really like it. So yeah, that's a really fast video. That's it. That's all I got to show you. I don't have anything else. There's nothing for me to do. I thought I was going to have to like play around with it. I thought I might have to give you some tips on how to make it work, but you literally just make a bun, plop it on top. It looks good. So that is what it is. It worked out. I love it. You should try it. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. Like and subscribe. Leave me a comment and let me know if you've tried one of these and if it's worked out so easily for you as well. Or if you do get one, come back and let me know how it works out. I think the hardest part of using a hair extension piece is usually getting the right color match. But even as it is, if my hair wasn't freshly done and wasn't so purple at the front, I think it actually would even match okay. It wouldn't be terrible, but I'm definitely going to try to tone it and see what we can do with that. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching today.